Ringo Vision.
Ringo Vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo Vision. Cause when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with
Whoa, everybody, look at this. Yeah, man, it's salmon. A good vibe. So we're frying up some salmon. So we've half done some salmon already. These ones are fried up already. We're waiting for the rest. We've got one last batch to fry up. We've got one batch here frying. And look at this, everybody. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. This is the good old rice and peas. So we're boiling some peas to create the rice and what? Peas. Good vibes. Yes, everybody, so you don't know what I'm going. It's an update. Today, we're at 5k subscribers, everybody. Yeah, man. All right, today's episode is an update. First and foremost, thank you very much to everybody that's on the channel, on the journey, that's been subscribing, that's been here from day one. All right, we're here and we've hit 5k subscribers, everybody. Thank you very much. And guess what as well, everybody? We're jumping out of season 8. And we're going straight into season 9. So our next update is going to be coming through this week as well. Big up yourself, Sunday Vibration with Deasa. We're cooking some, yeah man, some salmon, everyone. Salmon's on the menu today. Yeah man, 24-hour kitchen. It's been an amazing year so far. Everyone, we're here in October. We've come out of the spring. We've come out of the summer. We've gone into the autumn right now, and we're going to flick out autumn going straight into winter. So yes, everybody, it is a good vibes, and we're moving very fast and swiftly as well. Boy. Alright, so yeah man, so I'm also doing some rice and peas. As you can see that the peas, I've got a garlic in there and I've got thyme in there. Good vibes. Yeah man, Sunday Vibration at the same time. We're frying up some salmon, everybody. Good vibes. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen. We're there. Yes, everybody. So I hope this journey has been as exciting for you guys as it's been exciting for me as well. Yeah man, as we've gone through almost 4 seasons in the year, and we've changing time scale as well in England. So the clock's going to be going forward. So in the summertime, I could have been down by the river, out there, 10 o'clock at night, 10:30 at night, and I still got bright sunlight or the evening light to carry me through recording and whatnot. But now the difficulties are here. We're in the winter period in London, so it gets very dark quickly, like 4:30, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. In the peak of winter, it is dark. So I need to make sure that I change the whole concept and I'm out a lot earlier, unless I'm going to be doing some night episodes as well and some cooking at night time as well. And if you guys would like to see some episodes nighttime cooking as well, let me know. Good vibes. Just the next one. 5k subscribers, everybody. Big up yourself. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to show you the rest of the meal in a short while. So we're not even going to go through the process, because don't worry about the meal today, everybody. I'm going to show you the meal, but remember, season 8 done. Today, this episode is the last of season 8, and we're going into season 9. Season 9 Wow, so look at this everyone. So we're in the final stages, so we're making the broth for all the fish. Good vibes. Good vibes. So what we're doing right now, I'm just washing the rice to go with the peas. I'm just making sure, you see all that cloudy water, I'm just making sure that it's crystal clear so you can see the rice grains at the end. Good vibes. Peas, and as you can see there's a lot of thyme there as well, everybody, yeah? Have good vibes. So I'm going to just stir it around a little bit, and that is it. I'm going to cover this one up, everybody, and just let it go and steam down now. Good vibes. Oh, broccoli and cauliflower. So let's add some boiling hot water from the kettle. Good vibes. So last but not least, what I'm gonna do is just place some of the fish in the broth, nice and neatly, everybody. Good vibes. We're on a very, very, very good track right now, everybody. Big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen. We're there, almost at the final grand finale, everybody. Good vibes. Look at that. So we've got some of the fish inside of the pot, inside of the pan, and then we have some here that's just fry up, and you can just have it just the way it is. 24-hour kitchen. This one was a live big boy update. 5,000 subscribers, Jamaican Sunday dinner, salmon, rice and peas, steamed veg, a good vibe. Big up yourself, everybody. 24-hour kitchen, we're there.
Ringo vision. Ringo vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo vision. Cause when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle.
The rice is starting to formulate, everybody. Good
When
vibe.
you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. Oh gosh, say when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. Ringo vision. Ringo vision. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo vision. Ringo got the vision. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle.
There's nothing wrong with a completed meal, especially if it's 10 out of 10. Yeah, man, cooking it for 5,000 subscribers. What? Good vibes. Big up yourself, everybody. You done know what I go on. 24-hour kitchen. It was amazing. 5K subscribers coming out of season 8 into season 9. Next video that you see, we're gonna be in season 9. I know it was short and sweet. Big up yourself, everybody. 24-hour kitchen. We're fully active. We're fully there. Yeah, man. On today's menu, yes, we had the salmon. Wow, look at the salmon, man. The salmon. We had the rice and peas as well, everybody. Wow, look at the rice and peas, man. And also we had the steamed veg, which is a good vibes. Big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen. We there outside. Until next time, we're in season what? Season 9. Little fingers. Wow, yeah, man. We're just dishing up right now, everybody. Good vibes. Big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen. We're there. Yeah, man. It's a good vibes, everybody. Big up yourself. Fish, meals. Good vibes. 24-hour kitchen. 5K subscribers. Going into season 9. That is amazing.